In today's video, we'll have a look at the color mixing, shades and ratios used in Kerala mural painting. So this is a list of colors that are used in Kerala mural painting by today's artists. So these are acrylic colors, and the brand that I prefer to use is Camlin Artist Colors. Now let's have a look at the color mixing ratio for mural red. The numbers mentioned here refer to the amount of paint in each punch from the paint nozzle. So 3 parts of scarlet lake with 2 parts of yellow ochre and 1 part of sap green mixed together gives you mural red. Next, we'll have a look at mural yellow. For mural yellow, permanent yellow medium is preferred. If that's not available, you can use yellow ochre. So 4 parts of yellow ochre or permanent yellow medium with 1 part of scarlet lake and 1 part of sap green gives you mural yellow. Next, we'll have a look at mural green. For mural green, we use 4 parts of sap green with 1 part of scarlet lake and 1 part of yellow ochre. Now we'll see the color mixing ratio for mural blue. 2 parts of Prussian blue with 1 part of sap green and 1 part of titanium white gives you mural blue. The mural blue is then lightened up using adequate amounts of titanium white. The mural blue that is used in Kerala mural painting is never dark. It is a very light diluted shade called Shyama Varna, which resembles that of a greenish blue shade. The other colors used are burnt sienna and black, which is used for outline.